blue sky! Careful! The train feels like it's about to tip over! Inosuke! Protect the passenger!
Pull yourself together! You got stabbed, right?
I don't think I can move now. That engineer, is he alright?
His leg's shattered, and he can't walk anymore.
Help him, Inosuke.
It's the least I can do as a leader!
Take control of your breathing. Focus your thoughts. Think of Nezuko. Zenitsu.
You've mastered total concentration constant. Regulate your breathing. Take full control of it. Now, stop the bleeding. Focus. Good. You succeeded. Flame breathing. His speed of regeneration. So this is an upper rank.
Let me make you an offer. Why don't you become a demon?
No thanks. I'm the Flame Hashira. Kyojuro Rengoku.
Despite being a Hashira, your strength is not enough because you're merely human. Become a demon, Kyojuro.
True strength does not just refer to the physical body, no matter what twisted reasons you give. I will not yield.
I see. Technique development. Destructive death.
Blooming flame undulation! Stay there! We can't reopen that wound of yours!
You sure you won't turn into a demon? Imagine how much stronger we'd become!
I will not become a demon! Third form! Blazing universe!
Airtight!
I want to join the fight, but they're moving so fast! Getting between them would get me killed for sure!
Rising scorching sun! Blazing universe! Blooming flame undulation! Fifth form! Flame tiger! Come at me!
Don't tell me it's over. I won't have you die on me. That frail human body will never measure up to mine. A smashed left eye, shattered ribs. In the end, a human can never surpass a demon.
I will see my duty fulfilled! Flame breathing. Esoteric art! Set your heart ablaze. Overcome your limits! The ninth form! Rengoku!
Did he win?
Save yourself! Save that you'll become a demon! stopped it! And even after I've skewered his body with my arm! Damn it! The sun will rise soon! Why can't I pull my arm out?
This is my only chance. I have to slice that demon's head off!
Let go of me! Let go of me!
Not till I remove your head from your shoulders!
Inosuke, move!
Don't run away, you bastard! You would reopen your wound.
Mr. Rengoku.
Come here, lad. Very soon, I'll be dead. I have a younger brother named Senjuro. Please tell him to follow his heart. And tell my father that I want him to look after himself. About your sister. I accept her as part of our ranks. Don't feel bad that I'm going to die. Any other Hashira would have done the same as I. You must continue to grow. Mother, did I do well?
I'm so proud of you, my son.